Mmm. Coffee guy here, going down the rabbit hole. Band I've never heard of, Hot Mulligan. Gonna look at this album, The Sound a Body Makes When It's Still. I think they're alternative rock, but they might be something else. I don't know. Here we go.
And 3, 2, 1, action!
Is it time to take a bow? Waking up in the worst of company. Is there anyone around? No, all alone, it's just these thoughts in me. Am I ever gonna make things right? Am I gonna grow up now and say I'm sorry? And take another shot in stride. When you see me throw up now, you won't be sorry. Choking on apologies, I can't get out a word. I'm useless. Nothing good can come of me. I'm sure of this. Another minute. Take another minute. Take another minute. Maybe take my life. Nothing good can come of me until I'm gone. I'm just a burden. Still a part of me wants to get better. I know this. I saw him there in the mirror a decade ago, bleeding hungry and unprepared. And I know what comes next. I'm laying down to rest by myself in my bed, but I won't wake up, so I've been trying to quit. Never gonna get it, never gonna get it. Oh, it's just committed. Oh, it's just committed. Oh, it's just committed. Choking on apologies, I can't get out a word. I'm useless. Nothing good can come of me. I'm sure.
All right. Love the sound. This is definitely the type of music I like. Reminds me of a lot of bands from last decade, maybe. I get confused. They must have been around for a while because they trust each other to walk around with no clothes on. That's a sign of trust or definitely crazy. Just saying, I wouldn't do it.
Camera cuts.
Always like to give credit to all the people that did work on the video. All right, so I love the sound. That's my thing. That alternative rock music remind me of a lot of bands from the last 2 or 3 decades. So I'm going to do a few more. We'll see what you guys think. All good.